Welcome guys, and as you know where we ended, the reason why this is giving us an error is because we did not put and press the function. So let us put this one in. There is gone. For now we're going to make it pressable but without a specific root. And the other thing that after all these rows, we're going to have a new container. Yeah, so I'm going to define it. I think it is almost a padding tool. Yeah, outside this padding. New container. I'm going to have a height of 2050. No, 250. Yeah, and 0. It is not necessary, but I like it. Width, we're going to have a width of 200. Decoration, new box decoration. Inside the box decoration, we're going to have shape, box shape dot rectangle. Now we have an image, new image decoration, new decoration image, box fit. I think it's fit. Yeah, fit, box fit dot fit. Okay. Then after that, we're going to have something. We're going to have this image. New exact image asset. Then we're going to pass this image here, which is pp.png. So assets slash images slash I think that is what we need to do now. So let us save it, control save, and then see what happens. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Oh. Yeah. As you can see, the image is displaying over there. It is here. So if we scroll, it is all good. So thank you guys. Let us meet in the next part.